Hi everyone! Hello everyone! No, let's go again. Hello everyone! Welcome to
Taking Risk in the Kitchen.
And today I'm gonna make a lovely...
I'm going to be making banana bread.
No apple bread?
No!
A banana bread?
Yes!
Okay, so...
With chocolate chips.
With chocolate chips?
Yes!
Oh my gosh. So, Juliet is gonna make a really lovely chocolate chip banana bread with a hint of
cinnamon.
Yes, exactly. So guys, if you like to see how this cake will become at the end, you need to follow the recipe.
The bread.
Oh, I'm sorry, the bread. You need to follow the recipe to the end. If you already subscribed, leave your like, press the comment below and say if you like it or not the recipe.
And
but if you are not subscribed, why not? Oh,
just make that subscribe button a crazy cat.
Yes. Yes.
Wait,
true.
Is it gray or is it
blue? Oh, just to sign the notifications. Well, you know what you have to do, right? So just do it and help our channel to
you're
grow.
using Mike's slogan.
Wow.
Because it's saying just do it.
Just do it. That shouldn't be done.
Because Mike said that.
Yes. Now, what we have to do is follow the recipe, follow the video until the end. All the ingredients are down here below in the description box.
Yeah.
Now it's time for Juliet to make her banana chip bread.
Banana chip.
Follow us.
Chocolate chip banana.
Banana chocolate chip bread. Follow us.
For the first ingredient, we're going to have 3 bananas smashed. And if you don't have a potato smasher, you could use a fork. Okay, now we're going to add 100 grams of melted butter. Okay guys, now we're going to add 100 grams of demerara sugar. Now we're going to add 80 grams of brown sugar. Now we're just going to add 1 egg, then mix it. Okay, now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of salt. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and mix it. For the final touch, 150 grams of chocolate chips. Now we're going to put it into the baking tray, then put it into the preheated oven for 190 degrees and 75 minutes. Okay guys, after 75 minutes in the oven, it is now done. So now for the best part, the tasting. There it is. Beautiful. Okay guys, now we have the best part, the tasting.
The tasting. So, you guys see how she did the cake?
The bread.
The bread. Look at that. The chocolate is still melted inside. You see the chocolate chip. Are we ready to try? So let's see a big bite. It's so tasty. What does it taste? Apples, no?
No.
Why not apples? It's not an apple cake.
Yeah. So it's an apple.
And? But it's an apple cake.
No, it's not.
What is it?
Banana bread.
Banana bread. Guys, thank you for staying to the end of the video. If you like it, how the bread looks like, and it's just amazing. Leave your comments below and your like. Don't forget to share, because now it's time for us to finish our slice and say bye.